Welcome to my complete Java, Kotlin, and Android programming course, Beginner to Expert. This course has one goal: to make you an expert at creating Android mobile apps using Java and Kotlin. Don't worry, I walk you step by step through the entire course, and if you get stuck at any point, you can message me on Udemy or post your question to the course Q&A forum. You might be asking yourself, why learn Java? Even as of 2021, when this course was created, Java is one of the leading languages in the industry. Also, Android developer positions are opening up more and more frequently at very high salaries. By taking this course, you are opening up a lot of potential opportunities to land a great job in Java programming, Android app development, or freelance work as a mobile software engineer. Furthermore, companies have been shifting more and more towards Kotlin, so it is equally important that you know Kotlin to land an Android developer role. What sets this course apart from the other Java, Kotlin, and Android courses on Udemy? When creating this course, I took a look at a lot of the other courses being offered. Here are some of the things that this course offers that you might not find in other Udemy courses about the same topic. In this course, you won't just learn Java or Kotlin. You will learn both and then apply those skills to build Android apps hands-on. There are 10 hands-on mobile app projects that you will build in this course, 5 using Java, and 5 using Kotlin. This means hours of hands-on practice, geared at getting you exposure to building mobile apps, which can be used for your portfolio, and help you land a position in the industry, and demonstrate your talent to employers. This course has a ton of coding exercises where you get to practice the skills you learn, and get instant feedback right here on Udemy. At the end of this course, there is a video dedicated to teaching you answers to the most frequently asked questions on Android developer interviews. As someone that has worked in the mobile app industry my entire career, I believe I am strongly suited to teach you the course material that could help you land a great job as an Android developer. This course was very fun for me to make because the technology and programming languages it uses are not just my job, they are my passion. Now that I have introduced you to the course, let me introduce myself more formally and explain my credentials. In the next lecture, I will tell you about myself and my credentials for teaching this course.